How do I check if my Gucci bag is authentic?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll be walking through some key steps on how to verify the authenticity of your Gucci bag. This is an important process if you want to ensure you've made a genuine investment. So, let's dive in.
Inspect the quality of the material.
Gucci is known for its high-quality materials. If your bag feels cheap or is not well made, it might be a counterfeit. Gucci uses top-tier leather, hardware, and textiles, all of which should feel luxurious to the touch. Look closely for signs of poor stitching, cheap plastics, or fake leathers, as these are often red flags.
Look at the logo.
Gucci's famous double G logo is a clear indicator of authenticity. The logo should be clearly and accurately represented on the bag. Counterfeit bags might have incorrect logos with subtle differences, like incorrect spacing or a slight alteration in the design.
Check the serial number.
Every Gucci bag comes with a serial number that can be used to verify its authenticity. This serial number is usually found on a small leather patch sewn into the lining of the bag. The placement may vary depending on the style of the bag. Gucci serial numbers typically have between 10 to 13 characters and can be a mix of numbers and letters.
Examine the hardware.
Gucci bags typically use brass or gold-plated hardware. Make sure the hardware on your bag is heavy and doesn't feel hollow or lightweight. All hardware, including zippers, clasps, and buckles, should have Gucci embossed on them.
Look at the interior label.
Gucci bags usually have a label stitched onto the interior of the bag which reads, Gucci Made in Italy. The lettering should be clear and evenly spaced. The font, color, and style of the label can all be important clues to determine if the bag is authentic. To wrap up, it's important to carefully inspect your Gucci bag for signs of authenticity. From the quality of materials to the hardware and interior details, every aspect should scream luxury. Remember that if a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always purchase Gucci bags from reputable sources. We hope this guide helps you in authenticating your Gucci bag, and as always, enjoy your fabulous fashion.